In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Interactive Brokers. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure you're signing in securely, whether you're using a real account or a practice account. First, open your web browser and head to the official Interactive Brokers website. It's a good habit to type the address directly or use a trusted bookmark, and always check for the secure padlock in the address bar. This helps you avoid phishing sites that might look similar but aren't legitimate. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click Log In. A small menu will appear. From this menu, choose Portal Login. This takes you to the web-based dashboard, often called the client portal, where you can view your accounts, balances, and trading tools right in your browser without extra software. On the login page, enter your username and password carefully. These fields are case sensitive, so double check for typos and make sure caps lock isn't on. If you're using a shared or public computer, avoid saving your credentials and never share them with anyone. Interactive Brokers will never ask for your password by email or chat. Next, you'll see the option to choose which account you want to access. Select Live if you're signing into your real money account, or choose Paper if you want the simulated environment. The Paper account mirrors market conditions and is perfect for practicing strategies or getting comfortable with the platform without risking funds. Live is where your actual trading and balances reside, so pick the one that fits your intent today. After you've selected the account type, click Login. Depending on your security settings, you may be prompted to verify your identity, such as approving a notification on your mobile device or entering a code. This added step is normal and helps keep your account secure. Once you're in, you'll land on the client portal, where you can review your portfolio, check balances and performance, and access trading tools. If something doesn't look right, like unexpected errors or repeated sign-in failures, pause and make sure you're on the correct portal page and that your credentials are accurate. Small details like a mistyped character often cause issues. That's it. You've signed in through the official website, selected the appropriate portal, entered your credentials, chosen Live or Paper, and completed the login. Keep your login details safe and consider bookmarking the portal page for quicker, more secure access next time.